The First Amendment of the Constitution protects freedom of religion, speech, press, assembly, and protest. In plain English, you can speak your mind and worship freely without government control. But what about the rest? Let's break down all 27 amendments in plain English. The Second Amendment gives citizens the right to keep and bear arms, originally for a well-regulated militia. Today, it's mostly debated around individual gun ownership. The Third Amendment says the government can't force you to house soldiers in your home during peacetime. This was a big deal back when British soldiers would just move in. The Fourth Amendment protects you from unreasonable searches and seizures. The government can't just search your stuff without a warrant or probable cause. Think of it as your privacy shield. The Fifth Amendment is a big one. It gives you the right to a grand jury, protects against being tried for the same crime twice, and means you don't have to testify against yourself. This is the pleading the Fifth Amendment. It also ensures due process of law. The Sixth Amendment guarantees a speedy and public trial by an impartial jury. It also means you have the right to a lawyer. The Seventh Amendment gives you the right to a jury trial in certain civil cases, typically involving money or property disputes. The Eighth Amendment prohibits cruel and unusual punishments, as well as excessive bail and fines. The Ninth Amendment says that just because a right isn't listed in the Constitution, it doesn't mean you don't have it. It's a safety net for our other fundamental rights. The 10th Amendment gives any powers not specifically given to the federal government to the states or to the people. The 11th Amendment limits when a state can be sued in federal court by citizens of another state or country. The 12th Amendment changed how we elect the president and vice president, making them run on a single ticket. The 13th Amendment abolished slavery, a monumental step for freedom. The 14th Amendment granted citizenship to all persons born or naturalized in the U.S. and guarantees equal protection under the law. The 15th Amendment gave all male citizens the right to vote, regardless of race. The 16th Amendment allows the federal government to collect income tax. The 17th Amendment established the direct election of senators by the people. The 18th Amendment was prohibition. It banned the sale and manufacturing of alcohol. The 19th Amendment gave women the right to vote. A huge win for equality. The 20th Amendment, or the lame duck amendment, changed the start dates for presidential and congressional terms. The 21st Amendment repealed the 18th, making alcohol legal again. The 22nd Amendment limits the president to 2 terms in office. The 23rd Amendment gave Washington, D.C. electoral votes in presidential elections. The 24th Amendment banned poll taxes, which were used to stop poor people from voting. The 25th Amendment clarifies presidential succession, who takes over if the president can't do their job. The 26th Amendment lowered the voting age to 18. And finally, the 27th Amendment prevents congressional pay raises from taking effect until the next term. There you have it, all 27 amendments in plain English. So, which amendment do you think is the most important today? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching.